Hello friends, I'm Compatible. I feel good. I feel fancy and really sexy. I don't know why I don't have men beating down my door being like, Kim, pick me. I have money. And not because I want you to give me your money. I just don't want you to be worthless. Let's talk about being materialistic. Bitches being materialistic. You know, all they care about is money. It's not all I care about, but I do care about it. I'm not your mama. I'll be somebody in your life, okay? But I don't want to be your mother, okay? I'll be your mama, your mommy. I don't know. We'll work on a wording, but I don't want to be your mommy. Like, mommy, I'm hungry. Well, like, order Uber Eats. While you're at it, grab me something out of the fridge. I'll cook sometimes. I'll do some dishes, you know? Like me and my roommate, we got a pretty good deal going. On the money thing, you know, I haven't been doing this, you know, being a woman thing for too long. Why does a woman want to be with a guy who doesn't have any prospects? Like, if you're not working, if you don't have an education, if you don't have any money, like you're like, okay, a starter husband, you know? Like, like a project, you know? Like a rescue. Is he a rescue? You know, sometimes I'll rescue people, but I am not gonna date a rescue romantically. I don't want to see nothing bad happen to anybody, okay? So I'll look out for you a little bit. I'll show you around, but I don't want you to be my man or my lady. The power dynamic is not healthy at that point, okay? It's not cool. And like, we all have baggage, we all have stuff that needs to happen, but like, there's some things you just have to have, you know, your shit together a little bit, you know? And that isn't always about money, you know? Like, I could date somebody who doesn't drive or doesn't have a car, you know, but I do drive and I have a car, you know? And like, if you can't respect like what that takes, like that takes some effort on my part to maintain that, to like that, like I have to be responsible a certain amount to have that in the driveway all the time. And like, if your mother lets you use her car and you respect it and you take care of it, but when I see you beating on somebody else's vehicle, that is gross, okay? Because I worked hard to have the things I have. You can be really good looking and have plenty of money and still be obnoxious and gross. So like, just like get it together, you know, like be like a whole complete person, you know, and then like, so where are those people? Especially the ones who want to like get with me. Cause like, I'm not saying like, I'm like kind of available here, you know? And like, I'm not like this YouTube thing is like the only game I got going as far as like, I don't have no OnlyFans or nothing like that. Like I'm legit. So I'm poly, right? Like I could date like several people at the same time. And I especially love to be involved with a man and a woman who are like cool with each other at the same time. That is not an easy thing to pull, but I'm cute. I could do it, right? Like I'm down for like a little bit of an older couple who takes care of themselves, you know? Like I bring value. Okay, that is totally enough. My nails are fried. Working on concrete walls is harsh on a bitch. I could have gone a little bit harder with this light is pretty harsh too. Like I've got these big industrial work lights and they're really rough. If you like this video, down below, like and subscribe if you can. And if you didn't like this video, leave a thumbs down because it doesn't really matter to the algorithm. If a lot of people hate it, they still promote it. So like if you hate it, like downvote it. If you're just in a mood, downvote it. I don't care, you know? Comment. What did you like about this video? Are you enjoying this series? I don't have to be recording. I don't have to be moving all these lights around so you can see what's happening. Like, I don't know, give me at least like add a girl in the comments, you know? Like, I'm really giving it the I don't know what I'm giving it.